Here you can see on this old terminal how it's splitting. All along here it's split, see? And so consequently it will not tighten up anymore. So here we are, get the new one on. This is just a zinc one, and I was mistaken earlier, these are 11mm bolts instead of 12. And since this one was kind of a pain to get apart, the old terminal was kind of a pain to get apart, I think we're going to leave this one alone until it breaks. But right now it's fine. So. Alright, now she should start up. Now she should start up just fine. Alright, thank you for watching.